Meghalaya Lokayukta haka khat santri unai wing arja arpuar kala penduk pendam no yaka kes yaka bala ujor pyrshah Bah Bah Ïangrai ubadeu Assistant Inspector General of Police Administration Barim bat kumjuru yau Director General of Police Barim ke Jelau R Chandranathan kat kum ke jingat hu Atiar jong Bah Ïangrai upi Yobin ulaong baya ketiga kes kabaya day bat ke kambam sap haka jingat hit kali hapo katrat pulit ke jela yaka bala bishar haka khat santri mentau benai nai wing arja arpuar unong ujor ubadeu unong aitin jong TMC usaket go khale uklampoi hak tega jing bishar kumta ka Meghalaya Lokayukta kala pendam no yakani ka muka duma.
You see, right now all allegations are there. The polices, some in other cases, the polices are still investigating. They are collecting evidences against him. So, since it is being prejudiced before in the investigation, right now I will not say anything. I will not divulge anything. But looking into whatever substance has been collected as of now, I think we have a very good ground to fight it back. So I can say that much only. But since investigation is going on, subject of investigation, Mr. Ïakhun is, as a good citizen, he's fully cooperating with the investigations. He's giving a full cooperation with the investigation, plus his family members also giving a full cooperation with the investigation.
The former DGP was also named in the complaint. So what about his thing?
Yes, he was represented by another lawyer. His name is Abhijit. He's from Guwahati. So since he was a co-accused in the complaint before the Lokayukta, since the entire complaint itself was dismissed, so he is also relieved as of now of the complaint. On 15th November 2022, the Lokayukta, the case was filed before the case which was filed before the Lokayukta was called for hearing on the maintainability on a complaint filed by one Saket as Gokhale, and this complaint was based on the newspaper reports to the alleged scam of vehicles in the police department. We had appeared before the Lokayukta, and the complainant was found absent because, as it was fixed for hearing on the maintainability of the complaint itself. Since the complainant was found absent, we raised objections, and the chairperson, the honorable chairperson, was pleased to dismiss the complaint by the order dated 15/11/2022.